Hello, welcome to Giban Dental Clinic.
Dahil sa hilig natin sa pagkain na kahit saan mapunta ay pagkain ang hanap, bukod sa ating health na dapat tinututukan, isa pa sa dapat nating alagaan ang ating mga nagagandahang ngipin. Kaya naman ngayon, samahan nyo ko sa aking pagdayo sa Giban Dental Clinic dahil sa scheduled monthly adjustment ng aking braces. Balita ko kasi may mga promo silang ino-offer ngayon na baka swak sa inyo.
Hello, welcome to Giban Dental Clinic. Here at Giban Dental Clinic, we offer general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, oral surgery, and orthodontic braces. For dental braces packages, we have lowest down payment, low monthly adjustment fee, and we also have a lot of freebies. And also, we offer a 50% off from premium teeth whitening. You will have an instantly whiter teeth. It is safe, effective, and a dentist approved. Free dental cleaning plus oral prophylaxis. The Giban Dental Clinic has 4 branches located at Rosario, Cavite, Panapaan, Bacoor, Cavite, Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, and Dasmariñas, Cavite. Our clinic operates at 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Monday to Sundays. For more inquiries, message us to book your appointments. For your brighter smile awaits.